Let's come to standing in our standing mountain. Today we start facing the short edge of our mat. And as we're standing tall, it's up to you. If you want to be more forward or more back, you're just fine. Hands at heart center. We're checking in. And today we have, of course, we have Bobbie over here. She's been spending a week, been participating in therapeutic yoga every day. We have been going swimming, walking in the water, swimming, doing exercise in the water. And we've been walking. She's been walking with her hiking poles. And we have also she's been doing a lot of outdoor real life training in the gardens. She's been watering the gardens, negotiating around, pulling on water hose, and just kind of staying upright in a pretty treacherous environment when you're out in the garden. The ground is unsteady, everything. So she's been doing really well. So I'm very encouraged. We're continuing on this therapeutic yoga lifestyle boot camp slash adventure. And here we are in our progressive therapeutic yoga practice. So we continue. This practice, as I have designed it, is designed to help to encourage balance, coordination, overall muscular strength and endurance. I've designed it to encourage balance in all of the major joints, all of the joints, when we can get to them as we access them, even through the fingers, the hands, the wrists, the elbows, the shoulders, the spine, the hips, the knees, the ankles and feet, whole body. So that's what we're up to in our practice. As Bobbie's wearing her t-shirt, the only thing that you have to do is breathe. So everything should feel good. Let's bring our attention to the feet, parallel, about hip distance apart. And as you are standing tall, take a look at those feet. We don't always notice sometimes that we have a habit of maybe standing, putting all the weight on one foot, or turning the thighs and the feet outward. It's not wrong or bad to do that, although it's interesting if we have a long-term habit of that, the muscles can actually adjust to that and they actually can get imbalanced. In the next week, next Thursday, we're going to have our hip health workshop. And in that workshop, I'll be talking about how we can approach balancing the hip joint by understanding actually what's happening in the hips, the most common causes of imbalance, muscular tightness, and or structural weakness that we might experience, and then how to go about implementing a practice that feels good and can actually gradually return us back to balance. So hands at heart center. I'm looking forward to that workshop, and you can participate either live here or via live stream. You can also participate by watching the video, the recording, after the fact. Standing tall and standing mountain with the hands at heart center, mouth closed, breathing through the nose. We bring our attention to this present moment. We ground and connect ourselves to the earth, drawing our shoulders back and down, lengthening through the spine, gentle bend of the knees, feeling the muscles engaging through the feet as we connect through the earth, the muscles engaging through the thighs, the muscles engaging through the front and back side body very gently, the muscles engaging through the shoulder girdle, and the muscles engaging along the neck, bringing up an intention that is honorable to ourselves. Maybe we're setting an intention for long-term well-being. Let's begin with one long, strong Om. Inhale.